it's Kelly, and today is my birthday. We are back at, where we at, hon?
Coco Palms in Danao.
Coco Palms in Danao?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the place that we were here last time. We brought a lot of food here today. We got me a cake. What's this called, hon?
Humba.
Which is one of my favorites. It's beef, right?
Pork.
Pork. And she made lasagna for me because I love her lasagna. We got some mini cupcakes and some, looks like some clams and shrimp.
I think.
Some pancit.
Where's your
fried chicken. Whoops. We got a lot of food here. We got some family members showing up. We had some cousins showing up, which is pretty cool. Uh-oh, Liam walked off again. So, looks like it might want to rain. I don't know. Same thing happened last time we were here. See the sky there. Got some darks area. Not much sun out right now. Well, let's hope that changes. Pretty grass. Of course, you park over here. And there's Kitty and Liam and them's way over there. I don't know what he's doing over there. They're walking back. You want to go with Daddy over here to D? Come here. Okay. I got my boy. Oh, waves. Waves. Whoa. There's a crab. There's a crab. Mom, crabs, crabs. Whoa, see the crabs? Look at the crabs. Look at them all over the walls. Look at them all over the walls, a crab. Yeah, I see. Okay, so we were in the ocean. And we moved here to the swimming pool, which is for fresh water. It's got a little bit of it's got a water shooting over that way, giant mushroom. Liam loves the area. Now they shut down the swimming pool, or the slide, not sure what for. Ooh, it's fun, isn't it? Oh! Yeah. Whoa! You want? Oh! Yeah. Whoa! Got it? Okay. Oh. What are you doing that for? Come on, let's go over here. Ready? Walk. Whoa. Get that over here. Okay. There's a lot of water down here. They're shooting over there. So there's a lot of water coming down under here. As you can see, there's a lot of clouds over these trees here. See how dark it is? As you can see, really bad. Over there it's getting lighter. So we're getting pretty well surrounded by clouds. Hi! What's wrong, Bella?
Daddy, hi!
Hi! Hi!
Bye-bye, Daddy, bye-bye.
What's wrong, baby?
He wants to get the slipper. Let's tuck a slipper.
What are you going to do with the slipper?
No, that's not for the baby.
That's not for the baby, that's for Kaka.
No, lagi kay deep there. Sleepy naman siya daddy, oy. Sleepy.
Yeah.
Dili naman sa kumakaugkanan kung wa silang pipang. Musuunan sa ko silang pagkaon. Nula na sudan mo. Kung mag-spaghetti mi og magluto ko garlic bread og spaghetti, mao ra sad atong usang gabi.
Okay, so they go swimming and they come back with critters. So let's look what she brought back for us. She brought back
Sea urchin.
sea urchin. And the little thing is moving.
Isa po na gamay ang head.
A sea. You just picked it up off the water?
It will kuan man. I use my slipper.
It-
Oh, daghan din nga to na kay katong itong matagas kay gana ba. Ayaw to kay ma. Kuan maakto sa nga na. Dili matunog ka ato.
it's alive.
Di ba? Ay dili man kayo. Tuyong to siya. Ang kana din sa day. Kana siya katong malagsaon na.
You gotta get all the little stickies off of it.
Hindi na siya ba ang tuyong te? Murag ang itom.
Katong itom.
Itom na angat to daghan oy.
Wala ka nang kaliguan ninyo?
Oh, sa kanang iyang paril ba? Wala na may tubig gud ngadto. Naabot may nga gusto mo ni Kylie ay daghang kay isda. Nya mo ana mi siya. Tanam mimi kay mahadlo ko ni. Hadlo ko siya guys shark. Tawa na tubig oy. Daghan kay kanang kuan. Dagko nga kasag. Di ko oy. Paakan ta.
Yung ko na mamaak.
Ay murag wala pa tingin ni sulod eh balik na sa dagat.
So you're trying to get all the little sharpies off.
Sit down ha. Sit down. Di man labot.
Sige nga nana
Ew.
Ay gamay
sabi.
kanira man te oh, gamay ra man te.
What?
Swaki.
Ah oh. Oh nanan siya unod te oh, awat te.
O gani. O kaon na po.
Dili ka mukha na ni?
Matay daw suka te.
Kalami ani. Papam ni sulti ngayong gamay oy.
Oops.
Ayaw na.
Mao na siyang swaki te. Oh, mo ni siya swaki.
Oh swaki de dugaya na to
Gaya na
nakahindog oy.
tatakuan oy. Daan mo
Oo, gusto mo kamukaon na. Lagi. Gusto mo mukaon ani patag suka. This is the yellow. You wash first with water. And then this is the yellow. You will put lemon or calamansi and vinegar. It's num. Mukaon ka ni pang? Ah, dili ka mukaon
You have a
Jihan
lemon.
dito.
You have a lemon over there.
Ay wala naman ni kanira man oh, gamay ra baby pa man ni oy. Ano dati? Kuha sa kog water ate ako sa hugasan ate kay nagdagang balas ate.
You gonna eat that, Liam?
No.
He said no. He's like, Ew. I agree with you, son.
You wanna taste?
Let me know. No, I don't.
No.
You want to eat? What do you want?
Liam said it's you.
No. Yeah.
Ilaw pakitas video te.
You see?
This is only the meat because it's still young.
Still
so
young,
I will
yeah.
eat. Naong ni Kylie.
Liam, you gonna eat that, Liam?
No.
No, you and me both.
Ato ning ilabay ite.
Ibalik na nga to. Kaday.
Balik.
What is that?
Ha?
Kaon siya ganito.
Ano?
What is it?
Shell. Kalami ana. Ano ni card? Ang sabaw.
Ew.
Tirahan ko ana.
Where do you want to
Is he still in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a meat man inside ko yeah.
Uy.
Oy.
Yummy.
Yeah, meat bito no.
It'd probably be yummy if I was starving.
Liam.
Well, it turned out to be a pretty sunny day. What do you got cooking? What kind of fish?
Milkfish.
Milkfish. Oh, so you wrap it in the tin. Okay. That's a good way of doing it. Chicken?
and
Oh. That looks yummy. Grilled chicken. Well, fish smells good. Slide? Yeah.
Get in.
Yeah, it's so deep there. Ari, ate, oh. Picture mo, daddy. Dali, sit down. Sit down.